Pry open the air vent with a pry panel. Unplug the 3 clips behind the air vent. Remove the 2 screws under the screen using a T20 screwdriver. Pull the screen upward. Unplug the video connector behind the screen. Pry off the trim strip from the side. Remove the 2 screws on the left and right sides of the panel. Pull out the central control panel outward. Unplug the 2 clips behind the panel. Remove the 4 screws from the head unit. Take out the head unit. Unplug the original vehicle power connector and the optical fiber. Plug the optical fiber into our power plug. Connect the short video cable to the original car video cable. Plug one end of the long video cable back into the screen. The module can be placed on the rear side of the head unit.